Ever wondered what it takes to make your academic journey the best part of your life? Not much, just a student accommodation that promises you the very best of everything. Welcome to Street BS2. Nestled in the heart of Bristol, this property offers luxurious two-bedroom non-ensuite apartments. Stepping into the private bedroom, you're greeted by a plush bed, spacious wardrobe, and a beautifully designed study area along with shared bathroom and communal gourmet kitchen that is nothing short of a dream. And when the weekend arrives, kick back and relax with your friends in the vibrant lounge area, cozy sofas, and free Wi-Fi. When it comes to convenience, University of Law is just a 10-minute walk away, and BIMM Bristol is a quick 9-minute drive. Step outside and you'll discover a host of restaurants and cafes, serving up delectable menus. Whether you need cash or groceries, everything is just a short walk away. And for those distant adventures, simply catch a bus from one of the nearby stops or hop on a train at Bristol Temple Meads Station, a mere 6-minute walk, and land anywhere your heart desires in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your spot today at amberstudent.com and let's make Street BS2 your new home.